Welcome to Toddler Tuesday. Today I will be making this easy color match craft. I use 4 different colors of cardstock, matching foam squares, a paper cutter, laminator, and laminating sheets. Trim the papers down into 4 even squares. Place the paper into the laminating pouch and run it through the machine several times to secure the pouch. Use a pair of scissors to trim away the excess. Now have your kids match the foam squares to the correct color on the laminated paper. This craft helps with color recognition and could also be used for counting. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.